Hi guys, this is Julia and welcome back. So in today's video I am going to be showing you New Year's Eve makeup look. Please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Send me your pictures if you decided to recreate this look, and this would be amazing. So let's go. I apply a CC cream to my skin and I apply it on my hand, and then I put it on my skin and I blend it with a powder brush. I move to applying the concealer and I make a little triangles under the eyes and I blend it with my finger. I make a little triangles in the beginning of the eye and blend it with the finger. I apply concealer to my eyelids and blend it with my finger. I take a contour palette and I take the dark shade and apply it to my cheeks, to my forehead. I apply it to my chin and to my nose. I take the light shade and apply it to my nose. I apply it to my cheeks and I take a blush and apply it above the contour like this. I apply a highlighter under my eyes and blend it with my finger. I apply it to my nose and I take eyebrow shadows and apply them to my eyebrows. I apply eyebrow gel to my eyebrows. I take eyebrow highlighter and apply it under my eyebrows. For the eyeshadows, I take pink purple eyeshadows and make a line from end of my eyebrow to the end of my eyelid, and I blend it with a brush by adding more eyeshadows of this color. I apply light pink shimmer eyeshadows to my eyelids and I apply eyeliner. I apply mascara and a lip gloss to my lips. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe. See ya in the next video. Bye!